disconnected.
Holy crap, what the hell is this? Rex, why is tractor on the trailer?
We're going romping. We're going to town. Ran into an old friend of mine. I haven't seen him in a while. Turns out he's been doing this shit for quite a while too. Showing me some of the pictures of the some of his builds, and they're pretty freaking wild. So I'm probably gonna go and fail miserably, but I'm gonna have fun doing it, and well, hopefully we get dirty.
Check this shit out, eh? Holy crap. He wasn't kidding. He's working with the heavy duty shit. My God, man. Mine is so light duty compared to this shit. That's awesome. Like, look at this shit. Come on. My little tractor is freaking pathetic compared to this shit.
What a beast. What's the horse on this one? 14? What's probably his slow speed is my top speed. Now that I'm actually in a big wide open space, never realized how fucking slow this thing actually is. Pulley swap in the future, pulley swap in my future. I gotta friggin' do that, man. Pop off these little ass wheels, and oh, I got rid of my four-wheeler wheels. Shit. I said I could weld on my old four-wheeler wheels, but yeah, that ain't gonna happen anytime soon now. Oh, that's cool. Guess the deer didn't like all that noise. Let's see how well the old girl does. Oh, I'm gonna get hung up a lot. If I'm not careful. These little front tires are not the greatest. Whoa, there we go. Yeah. There's my issue right now, is my clearance. Whoa. Oh. There you go. Yeah, that thing go away. What the hell is all this fucking backfiring in this thing? Not in the mood to roll backwards. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, this is not gonna go well. No, I'm gonna eat shit. There we go. There we go. I don't think he knows my rollover story from a couple years back. Oh, there we go. I friggin' rolled the tractor. Well, not this one, but one I had. I rolled it off the back of a friggin' truck. It wasn't cool. It landed on me. I got out of it with just a sore ankle and foot the next day. That's a nice trails back here. I have to bring the, what do you call it down here? The little mini bike down here. Nice little romp. He's got one of them little doodle bugs. It's got a Predator engine on it. And he's saying it does 90 kilometers an hour. That's pretty freaking fast for a doodle bug, man. Absolutely zero suspension on those little shits. Where the fuck are we going? Why did we go up here? Alright, whatever. Dude, what's with the rock crawling? What are we doing? My brakes are hardly working on this little bitch. Yeah, they're hardly working. Watch what I do. I don't want to die. For some reason I'm getting heartburn. Oh God, not good. Get these things dirty, man. Fuck these rocks. I want to get dirty. Got a lot of rocks behind my house. Yeah, those big wheels are a bitch. I have to trim his foot thingies there. Floorboards. That's the word I'm looking for. Floorboards. Trim his floorboards. Let's go down to some lowlands. Let's find some mud, man. Let's find some mud. So this is pretty cool. This is nice. Finally getting this thing out somewhere with someone else with a tractor. Man, this is awesome. If I would have known he was doing this all these years, man, I've been making videos doing this a long time ago. I gotta move that mount. I'm gonna take this thing apart, put the switches in here. So that tractor is a Gilson. It's heavy duty. I had no idea there's this many trails here out in Callander, Ontario. Wow. Like, look at those monster wheels on that thing. Holy crap. You leaking fuel there? You leaking fuel? What was that? Yeah, you're leaking fuel. Your pump's leaking. Yep. Oh, the line's got a burned a hole in it. You have to shorten your line. I wonder how much gas you have now. Fuck, this is thick, eh? Oof. We need RPMs for this shit. Yeah, I'm thinking so too. It'll blow out. This is where a welded diff will come in handy. There we go. Alright, I'm tired of looking at the same spot. Let's get going. Sit on this water. Nope, nope, no, no! Not losing my water. So I think he wants to go back home and refuel. We don't know how much fuel he lost before that incident, so I think it just happened, to be honest. He just got the good smell of it there, just as he got stuck, so.
Oh, did a quick little run back. So instead of trail side, this is around the corner side maintenance.
Quite the white, eh? That yard boss is a little bit bigger than that miniature little thing I had. When I say had, that means I sold it. I sold off a lot of my stuff recently. I wanted to move. So instead of moving it all again, I parted with everything I had and I sold off everything. This is the only thing I have left. Everything else is gone. Well, still got my one go-kart and my mini bike, but everything else is freaking gone. The only tractor left in the stable, right here. Good old Roper. The only one I have left.
Fucker right in the pussy!